Do you have a child in 8th, 9th, or 10th grade? Are you already feeling anxious about preparing them for college? Grappling with course selection, extracurriculars, AP classes, the PSAT, financial aid, scholarships, tutoring, just to name a few? Ever feel like you're drinking from a fire hose? You're not alone. Wouldn't it be great if you knew someone beyond the high school guidance counselor who could make sense of it all and put it all into perspective? Someone, an expert, who could deliver to you and your child every week timely, relevant, and actionable information. Someone who's done all the homework so you don't have to. Someone who'll make sure you don't miss a thing from freshman year all the way through senior year. What if that someone was recognized as a world-class performance coach and expert college admissions counselor whose background includes high school valedictorian, Division I college athlete, graduate of Yale University and Harvard Business School, Goldman Sachs investment banker, U.S. Navy SEAL, entrepreneur, Shark Tank contestant, firefighter, husband and father of 4 children going through this exact process? What if your child had access to that someone every week? Phil Black, founder of Prepwell Academy, is that someone. And he's created a program to prepare your child for high school, for college, and for life. And to make your life a whole lot easier along the way. Click below to meet Phil Black and learn how Prepwell Academy can help you and your child.